Hey, what's up, guys? It's your guy, Crypto Chuck, back here with the group Crypto Black. Happy Monday, guys. As you guys can see, it was a crazy weekend. We had some ups, some downs. We recovered. So, it was a definitely exciting weekend. The volatility is back, as you guys can see. And if you look at Bitcoin, actually is at 11.3. Went up over the weekend, Saturday night going into Sunday morning. Went up over the weekend up to about 12.1, a little over 12.1, and then it just dropped down in a matter of 10 minutes. So you guys, it was definitely something. I mean, my next, I got my, as I talked about last week, I have my next resistance at 12.337. So we see if we can break out there. We get past that, I see 14, guys. So that's what I'm looking at. But let's get right into it, guys. So it says best weekly close, Bitcoin best weekly close since $20,000 of Bitcoin. 5 BTC price factors to watch this week. Lunar Bitcoin futures gaps and mainstream interests are providing the perfect environment for another week of volatility. Bitcoins begin a new week at over 11,000 after a wild weekend saw the market crash $1,200 in minutes. Will the chaos continue? Cointelegraph gives you 5 factors that could easily impact Bitcoin price action over the coming days. Bitcoin futures. This is something you guys understand, and if you guys don't look at it, this can help you out a lot when you're looking at pricing and setting your plans and setting your stops and your take profits and things like that, and having a nice little goal set up or a nice little plan set up. We're all not out here just coming up with prices on top of our head. Now you got to learn to trade and put the trade more in your favor, okay? And these are different things that you can look at to put a trade, a better trade in your favor, opposed to just going out there and just saying, okay, well, I'm going to just put a trade and hopefully it goes up. We all know it's 50-50, right? If you buy, 50% chance of that price going up, 50% of that price going down. And what you want to do, you want to be able to put a little of those factors, little of those percentages in your favor by utilizing tools and actually be able to look at different things that will actually give you a better price point. So you can say, okay, well, you know what? Based upon this, based upon that, this 50% is about an 80% chance I see now. So Bitcoin futures is one way, the future gaps. So it says more than usual, this week looks set to be big in terms of Bitcoin specific market phenomena. So it says in recent months, there have been macro factors that dictate general price and trajectory with BTC USD, showing a strong correlation to stock markets in particular. After 2 weeks of much more volatile activity, however, Bitcoin has decidedly divorced itself from the action of stocks. Analysts' attention is now turning to Bitcoin's own derivatives traders. On Monday, CME Group's Bitcoin futures opened noticeably lower than where they left off last Friday. The resulting gap in the market between 11,450 and 11,600 may well form a short-term price target. Now, as Cointelegraph often reports, Bitcoin has a tendency to rise or fall to fill CME futures gap. Over the weekend, however, another gap remains unfilled, this time much lower between 96.60 and 99.30. So for Cointelegraph markets analyst Michel van de Poppe, the area 1,000 above the lower gap was now necessary to hold at support 10,800. If we lose that support, then most likely I'm going to target the support we had previously, which in the area around 10,000, which is also the CME gap he summarized in a new video update. You guys see the chart there. Now, I'm just going to briefly go over this. I'm not going to go over the whole thing. It says, warning over U.S. dollar downfall. At press time, with stocks market slowly opening up in relatively flat condition, BTC was yet to target new levels after sticking to 11.2 over the past 24 hours. The change in global economic sentiment still have considerable sway over Bitcoin investment this week. Attention will focus on the heat between the United States, China, along with fresh coronavirus stimulus measures from Washington. Let's see how that works out. The situation is precarious. Bitcoin's rise over the past week has come to a dollar sees a protracted fall. At the same time, investors have rushed into safe havens such as gold and silver. A continued USD weakness may come to form a new bullish signal for Bitcoin price action, whether or not is merely a function of coronavirus response. Then the currency bet is mainly a bet on relative control of the virus, not reflecting the fundamental strength of the economics of the economies in question. Stephen Jen, CEO of United Kingdom macro investment firm Horizon SLJ Capital. Now, as I said, gold on track for 2000. Gold sentiment may act as a precursor to any changes in Bitcoin progress. The precious metal remains at all-time high in USD terms, on track to pass a psychologically significant $2,000 mark. Gold has risen 8 weeks in a row, finishing with the highest monthly close ever. Silver is also up 8 weeks in a row, with its highest monthly close since April 2013. Gold bug Peter Schiff summarized on Friday, adding, and just my opinion, I could be wrong. I kind of figured silver was going to go up because a few months ago it was actually a little bit hard to get the gold bullions. So I figured, people go get the next best thing, So, you go in the store and they don't have any, if you love Coca-Cola and you go in the store, they don't have no Coca-Cola, all they have is Pepsi. You just going to naturally get the Pepsi, and obviously the prices will go up on that product right there. Or they have more sales, they report more sales. So that's my opinion. I could be wrong. So that's what I thought. And when I said, okay, it was hard to get gold bullions and they were sold out everywhere. So I figured, hey, the next best thing, people are going to buy silver. And that's what happened. I could be wrong, but, we'll see. Now, consumer BTC interest is, so it says hitting $12,000 over the weekend has nonetheless placed Bitcoin back in mainstream consciousness. Altcoin successes, particularly those of Ether, has added to press interest. People are trying to jump on momentum. The entire crypto market is a microcosm of everything happening in stocks. Analyst Maddie Greenspan summarized to the Wall Street Journal. Responding, Bill Barhett, CEO of payment company Abra, revealed that consumer interest in cryptocurrency more broadly have definitely changed. Consumer interest in Bitcoin is definitely growing now, he tweeted, adding, Abra has seen record deposit volume since we launched our Abra interest account last week. I've heard similar feedback from others. As Cointelegraph reported last week, data from Google Trends confirmed that price volatility have sparked a surge in search activity for Bitcoin and gold. People are smart. I'm loving this, though. I'm loving this. Because people know they can't just put everything into the government because, man, you see, it's been what? 5 months? And people got one check. And, the unemployment was fine, but at the end of the day, that's for the people that made under 100,000. Why people that was just living above their means that made over 100 grand, So we'll see how that work out. Back on the derivative markets, meanwhile, growing interest in the volume for Bitcoin options suggests that institutional investors remain firmly interested in short-term and mid-term profitability. Altcoins aren't done yet. Bitcoin is still tussling with altcoins in terms of profitability, with Ether continuing to crush long-term resistance on multiple time frames. ETH has been it. I bought some more ETH over the weekend, and I'm telling you, I'm very happy. That's all I'm going to say. I'm very happy. Now, late July saw altcoins front-run BTC to the delight of investors led by ETH as trading on ERC20 DeFi tokens exploded. Ether reached $400 over the weekend, falling to $364 before maintaining its highest level since August 2018. And ETH is flirting with 400 right now as we speak. By contrast, BTC did not manage a weekly close above 11.5, a psychological achievement that would have marked its best performances to 20,000 all-time highs. Now, overall, Bitcoin is looking less strong than Ethereum. Van de Puppe added in his update. The make it or break it level for now, he concluded, remains at 11.5. Me personally, Bitcoin is still bullish. It's still bullish. Everything is still there. It's showing all the bulls are out. A lot of the dumps, a lot of the dumps got picked. A lot of sales got picked up over the weekend, and Bitcoin is still in the bullish, and the sentiment, everything is still there. But Ethereum, man, it has been on the tear. It's like, man, you can buy Ethereum and you're fine. But this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say here is just my opinion, and it's for educational and entertainment purposes. Okay? But Ethereum has been on a tear, and a few others. And MCO did good last night too. I'm not gonna bring that up. We'll say it for another video. But guys, if you don't have the MCO, or should I say you don't have crypto.com account, make sure you look below in the description, and we have that there down there. Click that link. You get $50. I get $50 while you signing up. And and if you would have did it last week when I said it, you'll be up a whole lot. MCO went up about a little 40% last night. Did your financial advisor make you 40% this year? MCO went up over 40% last night with the new merger, or should I say new consolidation, and the swap that's coming. But yeah, guys, make sure you like and share and subscribe to the channel, guys. Click the links in the description box where you can actually go on there. You can actually sign up for crypto.com. And like I said, you get $50. I get $50. It's a win-win for all of us. The Visa card is amazing. And I think I'm going to do a video on the Visa card with me actually going out shopping and buying things with it. And you get rewarded. So you can get rewarded up to 5%. But like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. Guys, join the Facebook group if you're not in it. Website will be up soon. Till next time, guys. Stack sats and chill. Happy Monday, baby. We out of here.